Dorothy, what are your plans for Christmas?
Oh yes, it's almost Christmas, isn't it? I'm not sure what I'll be doing then.
Well, if you don't have any plans, your family could have dinner at my house.
That's very nice of you, thanks. Have you finished your shopping yet?
No, I still have to do that. I think I'll go to the mall this weekend.
It's going to really crowded at the mall. You should shop online.
You're right. My family loves to read, so I can probably get them all presents from Amazon.com.
What do you think you'll get for your wife?
Probably a romance novel. It seems like she's always reading one of those.
Don't you think you should get her something a little more expensive, like jewelry or maybe a new computer?
Maybe you're right. It's hard buying gifts. I think my wife has everything she wants. Maybe I should just ask her.
Hi, Helen, it going? Fine, thanks, and you? Just fine. Where are you off to? To the library. I've got a history exam next week and need to start studying Oh, no, well, I'll see you later then. Good luck. Thanks. See you later. What time is it? We're going to be late.
It's 7:15. We're on time. Don't panic.
But I thought we had to be at the restaurant by 7:30 for the surprise party. We never make it there with all this evening traffic.
Sure we will. Rush hour is almost over. Anyway, the party starts at 8 o'clock. But I do need help with directions. Can you call the restaurant and ask them where we park our car?
Hi, Alice. It's John. How are you?
Oh, hi, John. I was just thinking about you.
That's nice. I was wondering if you'd like to go to a move tonight.
Sure, I'd love to. What's playing?
I was thinking about that new comedy Lights Out. What do you think?
Sounds great.
Okay, I'll pick you up around 7:30. The movie starts at 8 o'clock.
See you then. Bye. Well, hello there, Julia. Long time no see. Meg. Hi. What a coincidence. I haven't seen you in ages. What are you doing here? I just got a new job in the city. I'm shopping for some clothes. Hey, what do you think of this shirt? Well, you know how much I love blue. See? I've got the same shirt. You always did with good taste. What a small world. It's freezing outside. What happened to the weather report? I thought this cold front was supposed to pass. Yeah, I thought so too. That's what I read online this morning. I guess the wind chill is ready driving down the temperature. Can we go inside? I feel like my toes are starting to go numb.